Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new story. The name of the story is The Man Cub. Can you see the character Mowgli in this? And now this is the wolf and the cave. Can you see the cave? Now, this story has been adapted from a famous book named The Jungle Book, which was written by Rudyard Kipling. Many of you may have seen the story Mowgli on a cartoon or in movies. Now, let me give you a short summary of the story. This is the story of Mowgli, a small boy. A family of wolves find him near the cave and save him from a tiger. And now they include him in the family. I will be teaching the story in two parts. Today is the first part. Let us begin with the story now. So, children, pay attention. I'll be starting the story, and after each paragraph, I'll be explaining to you. If you have a book, please put your finger. It was a quiet evening in the jungle. The wolf family was resting in the cave. Now, children, who were resting? The wolf family were resting. Now, where they were resting? In the cave. And what time they were resting? They were resting in the evening. Father Wolf had just woken up from sleep. Mother Wolf was lying with the 4 cubs. Now the father wolf got up from his sleep. Who got up from his sleep, children? The father wolf. Mother wolf was lying with her 4 cubs. With whom the mother was lying? With 4 cubs. No? Here cubs means, what is cubs? Means baby wolf. So who all is there in the family? Who all are there in the family? Father wolf, mother wolf and 4 cubs. That means how many are there in the family members? 6 members are there, no? That's when they heard the tiger's angry roar. They heard a loud noise. Who are they with, children? They means the wolves, no? A roar is a sound which tiger makes, especially when it is angry. The tiger is very angry. I wonder what has made him so angry, said Mother Wolf. So Mother Wolf thinks, what has happened? Mother Wolf is worried, no? Why is this tiger so angry? Wonder means to think. Again and again, the mother wolf is thinking, why? What happened? Why is the tiger so angry? They walked up to the mouth of the cave. The bushes in front of the cave moved. So they walked up to the mouth of the cave. Mouth of the cave means the place from where you enter the cave. Okay? Father wolf and mother wolf stepped back a little. Father wolf and mother wolf are alert. Alert means savdhan. They can see something. They move back a bit. Move back a bit means they move 2 steps back. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. So, what is there? A human baby in the bushes. The baby crawls means how a small baby move using their both hands and legs. He grabbed a low branch and tried to stand up. Now the baby wants to stand up. So the baby holds a branch and tries to stand up. "A man's cub," said Father Wolf. Father Wolf calls it a man's cub. That means a human baby. Human means इंसान का, baby means बच्चा. "Is that man's cub?" said Mother Wolf. "I have never seen one before. Oh, how little he is." Mother Wolf is all excited to see a human baby because she has never seen one before. She sees how small it is. The baby looked up at them and laughed. The baby looks at them and starts to laugh. Now, who are them? Them means Mother Wolf and Father Wolf, because it does not feel any danger from them. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. "Let's take him inside before he gets here," said Mother Wolf. So Mother Wolf says Sher Khan must be searching for him. Mother Wolf knows that Sher Khan wants to eat the baby. So Mother Wolf wants to take it inside before Sher Khan sees it, no? Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. The baby is happy inside the cave. It is crawling near the sleeping cubs and lies down with them. Just then Sher Khan reached the mouth of the cave. Sher Khan reaches near the entrance of the cave. Why has he come here? To look for the baby. "What do you need, Sher Khan?" asked Father Wolf, walking towards Sher Khan with angry eyes. Father Wolf goes near Sher Khan and asks him why he has come. Father Wolf is very angry. "A man's cub came this way," said Sher Khan with angry eyes. Sher Khan says, "A man's cub has come this way." Even Sher Khan is angry. He thinks that the baby has come this way. Now who is he? He is Sher Khan. No? His parents have run away, so give him to me. Sher Khan tells Father Wolf, "The parents of the child have ran away from the jungle, so give me the baby." Now children, why Sher Khan wants the baby? Because Sher Khan is hungry, he wants to eat up the baby. "The man's cub is ours now," said Father Wolf. Now what does the Father Wolf says to the Sher Khan? Father Wolf says that this human baby is ours now. Why does he say this? Because he knows that Sher Khan wants to harm the human baby. "No, it's mine," the tiger roared in anger. Sher Khan gets angry. He says, "No, it's mine." Now Sher Khan and Father Wolf, they both are getting angry with each other. Mother Wolf leaped forward and stood in front of the Sher Khan. So now Mother Wolf has also come to save the baby. Leaped means jumped. Leaping, you see, the dogs, how they jump on you. The same way the wolf also is. So she jumps and goes near Sher Khan. "The man's cub is mine. You cannot kill him. He will live with our pack. Now go away." Mother Wolf is angry. She tells Sher Khan, You see, this human child is my baby. You cannot kill him. He will stay with us. You please go away. Who said to whom? Mother Wolf said to Sher Khan. Sher Khan growled, then he turned around and left. Sher Khan gets angry on hearing this. But since both mother and father wolf are angry and not giving him the human baby, he turns around and goes back. Now, children, Sher Khan was all alone, no? And here there were two wolves, mother wolf and father wolf. So he could not defeat. So, children, how did you like the story till now? Please watch the video again so that you will understand the story better. Take care till we meet in the next class to learn the remaining part. Bye bye.